Deep beneath the ocean floor lies one of the world's most valuable resources, crude oil. But extracting this oil and transporting it safely across the globe is a complex and highly engineered process. From deep sea exploration to massive tanker ship, this is the complete journey of crude oil. The journey begins with exploration. Specialized seismic survey ships send sound waves deep into the ocean floor. These waves reflect back, helping engineers identify a potential oil reservoir hidden beneath layer of rock. Once a suitable location is confirmed, offshore drilling begins. Massive drilling rigs are installed in deep water. A drill bit penetrates the seabed and reaches thousands of meters below to assess the oil reservoir. After drilling, the well is completed using advanced seabed equipment. At the seabed, a system called the wellhead, along with a Christmas tree valve, control the pressure and flow of crude oil, ensuring safe and stable extraction. The extracted fluid is not pure oil, it is a mixture of crude oil, natural gas, water, and other impurities. This mixture is transported through seabed pipeline to the offshore platform for processing. On the platform, the first major step is separation. Large separator vessels divide the mixture into oil, gas, and water based on differences in pressure and density. The separated natural gas is then compressed using a powerful compressor. This gas can be transported, re-injected into the reservoir, or safely burned through a flare system if not required. The water separator from the crude oil is treated using advanced filtration system. This ensures that any discharge meets strict environmental safety standards. Meanwhile, the crude oil is prepared for transport. High pressure pump move the oil through pipelines towards storage system often located on floating vessels known as FPSOs, floating production storage and offloading units. These floating units can store massive quantities of crude oil. Offshore unit, a tanker ship arrive, they act as a temporary storage facilities in deep sea environment. When a tanker ship arrives, specialized flexible hoses are connected between the FPSOs and the tankers. Crude oil is carefully transferred under controlled pressure to ensure safe loading. The oil is pumped into large storage tanks inside the tanker. These vessels are capable of carrying millions of barrels of crude oil across vast ocean systems. Throughout this entire process, operations and continuously monitored from advanced control room. Engineers use SCADA and automation systems to track pressure, flow rate, temperature, and safety condition in real time. Finally, the fully loaded tanker begins its journey across the ocean, transporting crude oil to refineries where it will be converted into fuels such as gasoline, diesel, and jet fuel. From deep beneath the ocean floor to massive ships crossing the seas, the journey of crude oil is a powerful example of modern engineering, precision, and global energy supply.